Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cannot create account error description not available. For example, if you try to create a new account Apple ID on your iPhone, and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone while creating the account. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. So in general, after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply check whether you have recently created Apple ID on your iPhone. If you have recently created a Apple ID on your iPhone, then you will not be able to create Apple ID because Apple doesn't allow you to create multiple accounts on the same iPhone. So what you can do now is you can simply take another iPhone, a friend's iPhone, and you can simply try to create account on that iPhone, and after that you can simply sign out that account, and you can simply log in that account in your iPhone after creating the account. Otherwise you will not be able to create account on your iPhone. So you have to make sure that while creating the account, so if you find this kind of error is occurring again and again, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem and you can simply connect to the Apple support and you can ask a solution for it. But if the problem is still there, then you can also find the solution in Apple discussion, where you can simply find different solution of the problems people usually share while discussing on Apple discussion, and after that you can simply get the solution for it. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.